Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this ninth day of April 2026. And if you've been following us for any length of time, you'll know we love our strong candle indicator, which is this little green triangle pointing upwards towards this green candle saying, go ahead and trade this long. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to look over here at the PVI. We're going to go expect the next candle to be somewhere between 80 and 110 ticks in length. Usually we use a little bit larger ATM, but today for some reason I didn't. We're going to go for 20s, 40s, and 80s instead of our usual 20s, 50s, and 100. And this is how it all went down in the room today. So looking for a nice little push retrace off the trend indicator, and then we're good to go. And here we go. Nice little push down. Beautiful. Go over top the current candle. We can actually go off the body of the previous candle. Doesn't matter. A few ticks here or there. Stop's going to go below the current candle. It's the one that made the last lower low. So we'll just wait for it to get picked up, get our targets set, and then we'll speed it up a little bit. Again, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. It's the only place you're going to find this strong candle indicator, and it just is so amazing how used correctly. I mean, it's phenomenal. All right, so we're taking the first candle. We got a nice little retrace. I'm actually loving this part of it. It just gives me another failure area to use. One more thing to say, this is going to go very nicely to the high side. All right, once we're in and our targets are established, we'll speed it up, put our stop where it belongs, speed up the chart, and we'll be on our way. Taking a little bit longer to get going. Once it makes up its mind, it goes quite nicely. I don't mind the retrace taking a little bit longer to get picked up than I would have liked. But still, the signal is just too good. It's a completed ABC pattern. It's all kinds of good things about it. Just have to be patient. And it's using most of the candle to just get picked up in the trade. It was a 3-minute retrace. Usually I like to be picked up before this, but sometimes it has to make sure. Now notice that that retrace came right back to where the higher high was before. Beautiful retrace. That's a stunning retrace on this. But stop has to go underneath here. Now watch what happens when our first target gets hit. We will go ahead and de-risk the trade completely. Boom. Even though we're under our entry point, it gives us a little bit room for the market to wiggle around if it wants to. If it does come back and take us out now, it doesn't matter. We're 40 ticks are out, so we're actually 80 ticks into profit at this point, 2 times 20 and a 40. And our last target is still sitting at minus 18. So let's go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. It's going to take a little more than one candle to do this. Boom. So it took about 5.5 minutes to complete that trade, and it was worth 820 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 820 US dollars in 5.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to find the strong candle indicators, which make it so easy to trade. This is Fred. Look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.